Imagine trying to connect with loved ones across the globe, only to be met with static, dropped calls, and exorbitant international fees. Sound familiar? Today, we're diving into the world of VoIP and exploring a popular option, Ooma. Many people wonder if Ooma can truly deliver reliable international calling, especially to remote corners of the world. To answer that question, we'll examine Ooma's coverage, features, and customer experiences. We'll also compare it to other VoIP providers to give you a well-rounded understanding. Ooma's coverage. Let's start with the basics. Where does Ooma actually work? While Ooma offers a wide range of coverage, there are a few factors to consider. 1. Domestic coverage. Within the United States and Canada, Ooma's coverage is generally excellent. You can expect clear calls and reliable service in most areas. 2. International coverage. Ooma's international coverage is also impressive, but it's important to note that call quality and rates can vary depending on the destination country. In general, Ooma offers competitive rates for calls to many countries, especially when compared to traditional phone plans. 3. Remote areas. If you live in a remote or rural area, it's always a good idea to check Ooma's coverage map to ensure that their service is available in your location. While Ooma does have a strong presence in many areas, there may be limitations in certain regions. Ooma's features. Beyond coverage, Ooma offers a variety of features that can enhance your calling experience. 1. Unlimited calling. One of Ooma's most popular features is unlimited calling within the United States and Canada. This can be a huge cost saver for those who make frequent domestic calls. 2. International calling. Ooma also offers affordable international calling rates to many countries. You can choose from pay-as-you-go or monthly plans depending on your needs. 3. Voicemail. Ooma provides a voicemail service that allows you to listen to messages from your computer or phone. You can also forward voicemail messages to your email. 4. Call blocking. Ooma offers call blocking features to help you protect yourself from unwanted calls. You can block specific numbers or even entire area codes. Customer experiences. While Ooma has a generally positive reputation, it's always helpful to hear from real customers. We've gathered some testimonials from people who have used Ooma for both domestic and international calling. Asterisk testimonial 1. I've been using Ooma for years and I've never had any issues. The call quality is excellent, and the international rates are unbeatable. I highly recommend Ooma to anyone looking for a reliable VoIP service. Asterisk testimonial 2. I recently moved to a remote area and I was worried that I wouldn't be able to get good phone service. But Ooma worked perfectly. The call quality is great, even in my rural location. Asterisk testimonial 3. I use Ooma for my small business, and it's been a lifesaver. The features are easy to use, and the customer support is excellent. I've never had any issues with dropped calls or poor call quality. Comparison to other VoIP providers. To give you a better understanding of Ooma's value, let's compare it to some other popular VoIP providers. Asterisk provider A. While provider A offers similar features to Ooma, their international rates may be slightly higher. Asterisk provider B. Provider B has a wider range of international coverage, but their domestic rates may be more expensive. Asterisk provider C. Provider C offers a more basic service with fewer features, but their prices may be lower. So, does Ooma work anywhere? The answer is yes, but the quality of service and rates can vary depending on your location and calling needs. If you're looking for a reliable VoIP service with competitive international rates, Ooma is definitely worth considering. However, it's important to do your research and compare different providers to find the best option for your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.